Good afternoon. What's going on? Neil here with videos for Friday, April 25th. Oh, well, we had the nice recovery off of the Monday lows there, up nicely. And very much welcomed because we've, of course, been trying to see this, higher and to the upside. So this is going the right way, thankfully. So what do we got here? What's going on? Well, from today's Friday, right? That's right here. Yesterday, Thursday, you can see this big up day Thursday. It's important. Got a fresh new buy signal. Pops back up above the averages. That's looking really nice. Today, Friday, what happens? It pulls back, finds the fibs. I left the fibs on there so you could see it. Finds the 382 retrace and holds and is taking out yesterday's high with an overnight high of a 55.53. And the day's not done yet. There's plenty of time left in the day. So, I mean, for all I know, this thing could roll over and fail miserably into the day on some news or so, something like that. I'm not anticipating that, doing the videos early. I think, it still continues to go a little bit higher. In fact, we got some targets here that we're, there we go, that we're trying to shoot for today. You see the overnight high right there. And take out the overnight high. And all this started from right down here on that 382 retrace, right? And here we're going, I think we're heading up into this target right there today. Not there yet, like I say, but got plenty of time left in the day. So that was done pre-market, right around the bell. So for next week, we want to see it continue to do what it is doing, and that is keeping with these higher lows, right? And as long as you're doing higher lows, then you're keeping, doing pretty well. It's when it rolls over and it starts making lower highs that, you got trouble for the bulls. But reasonably, you see this green line here, this is a fib level that goes back. I'll highlight it so you can see what the parameters are on it. It starts from October of 22 low to the all-time high. That level was a 236 fib retrace / question mark support, on the way down from the all-time highs. We'll see how to do, right? It comes in, it goes, finds level, and it comes off of it. It ultimately found its way all the way down here to the half back, and that's the same fib series from October 22 to the all-time high. So we're working our way back up through those fibs, right? Back now north, and you can see there was a lot of respect for this 382. And so I'm saying, well, we're headed to try to find and test that 236. So that's at, 55.90 something, 55.90. And then above there, then we go 56.18. These are S&P futures prices, not SPX. Okay, this is ES futures. And then here's the target. You ready for it? Boom, right there. 57, what is it? 57. Yeah, it's called 5,700. 5,700. That was one of those big settlement prices that we talk about in the room. We have a methodology that kind of targets those as well, and they're really good levels, as you can see, right? I mean, it comes off there, goes up, finds that one, kisses it, fails, finds the support, right? I mean, they're very important, and we got a couple of them coming up, 56.18 and 5,700. I am trying to see this thing to 5,700. 5,700 is also if you went from the all-time high to the bottom of this break down here at whatever, 48 something, then 5,700 is also a 618 retrace, making another very interesting reason to try to, target that. We're not there yet, but we've been talking about this since it was 5,000 trade, and now, we're a whole lot closer now, right? Almost 56. So we're only 150 away when we were a mile away when we first started trying to identify a target for up there. So let's go with that. And I'm going to switch over to the premium video here next, and we're going to go in some individual names and look for some plans on those. By the way, check out Tesla today. What a banner day there. That's one thing we're going to sure enough be talking about. All right, that's it for tonight. Hope it helps. Good trading, and we'll look forward to seeing you again at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me.